everyone. Today we are going to understand the chain rule of differentiation. What is the chain rule of differentiation? Let's say if there is a function y which is a function of t and t is another function of x. How will you find the derivative of y with respect to x? So dy by dx is defined as the derivative of dy with respect to this function. So it is a differential of y with respect to t, and this will be multiplying it by dt over dx. That means a differential of t with respect to x. Okay, this is the chain rule in differentiation. Let's see how to work on some examples with this rule. So let's say y is equal to m cubed plus 1 upon m, where m is not equal to 0 and m is now equal to 2 minus x squared. How will I get dy by dx? So now, as we know from this rule, dy by dx is equal to dy with respect to dm multiplied by dm with respect to dx. Okay, what is dy by dm? Dy by dm is differential of this function. That means it is 3m squared, 3 into m into 3 minus 1, that is 3m squared minus 1 upon m squared. Because the differential of 1 upon m, if you take m to the numerator, it will be m to the power minus 1. So differential of that will be minus m to the power minus 2. So we have taken m squared to the denominator. And this is the first function. And the second function is differential of m with respect to x. So what is the differential of dm by dx? dm by dx is equal to 0 into minus 2x. That means the differential is minus 2x. So we are multiplying this by minus 2x. Okay. Now, since we cannot leave, this is differential of y with respect to x, we cannot leave m as it is. So we just have to replace this m by this expression 2 minus m squared. So this will become 3 into 2 minus x squared minus 1 upon 2 minus x squared, and the whole thing will be multiplied by minus 2x. Okay. Or in other words, we can write this as minus 2x into upon 2 minus x squared, since 2 minus x squared is in the denominator, and this will be equal to 3 into 2 minus x squared to the power 4, this multiplied by this, minus 1. Okay. So this is how you solve problems involving the chain rule. Okay. Now, let's say if we have a function y which is of the form a function of x, and this is to some power n. We can apply the chain rule to such a function also, and to get the derivative of y with respect to x. So dy by dx in this case is n into fx to the power n minus 1, and again the differential of this function, that is f of slash x. Okay, this has been derived from this using the chain rule. How? We have just substituted this function with some intermediate function u. So if we have here y is equal to, let's say z is equal to a function of x. So now this function has become y is equal to z to the power n. So now y is a function of z and z is a function of x. Okay, so what is dy by dx equal to? dy by dx is equal to n z to the power n minus 1 multiplied by the differential of this one, which is equal to f dash x. Now it's just a question of replacing z again by that function. So this is fx to the power n minus 1 into f dash x. Okay, this is the how this one is derived from. This is how it is derived using the chain rule that we have studied before. Okay, so let's take some problems involving this one. So let's see. Now let's say y is equal to x to the power 4 plus 2x minus 5 to the power 2 by 5. Okay, let's see how to do this. So we know that if we substitute this by any intermediate variable z, okay, and then we apply the chain rule, so we are going to get dy by dx is equal to, so this one remains as it is, so let's take this as a sum function. So this will be 2 by 5 multiplied by x by 4 plus 2x minus 5. It remains as it is, and this will be 2 by 5 minus 1. 2 by 5 minus 1 is minus 3 by 5. Okay, this is equal to minus 3 by 5, and this should be multiplied by the differential of this one. So differential of this one is 4x cubed plus 2. Okay, so this is how you solve such a problem. Now here you can simplify this further. 2 is common here, so we can take 2 outside. So it will be 4 by 5 into x by 4 plus 2x minus 5 to the power minus 3 by 5 into, since 2 has been taken out, this is 2x cubed plus 1. Okay. This also can be written like 4 into 2x cubed plus 1 upon 5 into x to the power 4 plus 2x minus 5. Since this is minus 3 by 5, this can be taken to the denominator as 3 by 5. Okay. Okay, let's take some other example. So y is equal to 2 upon x squared plus 3 whole square. So dy by dx is equal to, this can also be written as 2 into x squared plus 3 whole square. And since this is going to the numerator, it will be minus 2. So this will be minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So we can say this is minus 2, this is 2 into x squared plus 3, this is minus 2 minus 1, and then the differential of this one, is 2x. We all multiply together, this is 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So it is minus 8x, and we'll take this is minus 3, we can take this to the denominator, this is x squared plus 3 cubed. Okay, so this is all for today. In today's lecture. Thanks for watching till we meet in the next lecture.